everybody. Welding holds the world together, and we are here to tell you how. Hi there, my name is Emily, and we welcome you to spend just a few minutes with us as we share some iconic stories and structures and partnerships right over here at ESAB. We're going to sail off to Finland and to a shipbuilding legend, Oasis of the Seas. This is one of the world's largest luxury cruise ships. This world-class ship was an enormous welding project. It required secure welds at high productivity rates. And fortunately, ESAB is at the core of memorable vacations. Take a look.
A pioneer in the shipbuilding industry for almost 300 years, STX Finland Oy continually strives to set the standard in luxury ship design and innovation. One of their most notable endeavors, the Oasis of the Seas, raised the bar once again. Able to accommodate nearly 8,500 people, the Oasis of the Seas features 16 passenger decks, over 2,700 staterooms, and onboard recreational, athletic, and entertainment activities.
Schwimmender Rumpf, 146 Meter lang, 19.000 Tonnen schwer. Und auch hier konnten wir mit unserer Schneid- und Schweißtechnologie und unserem Support punkten. Also ESAB is at the core, auch wenn es zu einem Offshore-Gigant geht.
Welcome to ESAB Automation. My name is Hannes Rautsep and I'm the Chief Engineer of our ICE technology. During this exhibition we will show you how you can double your productivity using ICE and the Aristo 1000 AC/DC. The benefits are many, the benefits are beyond belief. If you don't believe me, come visit our stand and I will show you how we can double your productivity in welding.
My name is Michael Spies. I'm the product manager for aluminum and copper consumables. I want to show you and want to invite you to come to our stand to see the aluminum process packages.